It's the 14th of November. It's the worst flooding in Bathurst I've ever seen. The Macquarie River has broken its banks and spread all over the paddocks. So I haven't seen it like this before at all. There's heaps of roads closed, including the main highway and Hereford Street with a low-level bridge. Traffic's just gridlock. Bike's the best way to get around. Just shows you most cities are car dependent and it's just chaos. People are out on bikes, there's so much less traffic. It's just unbelievable. Normally you can't see much of the Macquarie River behind me, but it's just amazing how extensive the flooding's got. So this is the third summer with El Niño, really wet, rain all the time. So you have to think this has got to be related to climate change. All these extreme weather events. So I hope everyone's safe in the Bathurst region from the floods. Hopefully the waters recede soon. So I thought I'd just give you a bonus video on this freak event. I've never seen the flooding this bad. See you next time.